2. The Colosseum. Location, Rome, Italy. Best time to visit: spring, April to May, and autumn, September to November. The Colosseum is an iconic amphitheater that dates back to AD 80 and is considered one of the greatest engineering feats of the Roman Empire. The historic significance of the Colosseum lies in its role as the amphitheater where spectacles, such as gladiatorial contests and public events, took place, showcasing the grandeur and power of the Roman Empire. Historical significance: the world's largest amphitheater, famous for gladiator contests and public spectacles.